What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I am out here at the Rocky Mountain Audio Fest 2019, checking out the Martin Logan booth. We know you guys love Martin Logan, and they paired it together with the Benchmark amplification system.
Correct. We've got, it starts with the render to supply the music. We're not streaming live, but we've got files. Then we go into the cool Benchmark new preamp, the LA4, onto their legendary DAC, and finally their cool amplifier, very able, clean stuff. Martin Logan loves the Benchmark sound. It doesn't have a sound. So at this show, we decided to bring our latest revamped, the 35 XTs. So we have the big XT folded motion driver, which is kind of like the kid brother to the Electrostat. And we've paired it with a pair of the new 800 subs and some nice stands. So we've got a really clean, affordable package at about $3 grand.
Yeah, you can't beat it. I mean, Martin Logan, very reasonable price point, incredible audio. You just can't beat it. We know you guys love it. We're about to play a demo for you. I hope that you enjoy it, find this video informative, and helping you make a buying decision. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
People sleeping with the shade on the light.
Well, no complaints here. You guys know I love Martin Logan. Very affordable price point too on those speakers. Can't beat it. I hope you enjoyed that demo. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe down below for more. This is Zach with Dreamedia.